SM Lessons keeps curriculum organized by chapters and lessons. I'll show the flow. Review chapters, add a chapter, then create a lesson and link media. I'm in SM Lessons/Lessons. This table shows each lesson with its class, subject, chapter, and created on date. Search and sort work across all columns. Before adding a lesson, I like to confirm the chapter exists. I switch to SM Lessons/Chapter. Here are all chapters with their subject. If I don't see what I need, I add one. I click Add New Chapter. I enter the title, choose the class, and select the subject. Then I press Add New Chapter. The new chapter is now part of the list and ready to use in lessons. Back in Lessons, I click Add New Lesson. I give the lesson a clear title, pick the class, choose the subject, and select the chapter I just created. Under Link To, I can keep it as None, attach a file, or link to a URL. If it's a video or slide deck, I choose URL and paste the media URL. In Description, I add key points, objectives, or instructions for teachers and students. The editor supports basic formatting and images. I click Add New Lesson. The lesson appears on the list tied to the right class, subject, and chapter.